Alright, you guys, so I wanted to try a new hairstyle, this top-notch bun, and I've already washed my hair. I've already shampooed. If you guys want to see some of my natural hair routines, I have a lot on my video on my channel. You can see that, but I've already washed my hair, and like I said, I'm going for this top-notch bun, trying something different, see if I still got it. Your girl was struggling a little bit, y'all know, because my right side is special, but I was here for it all, you guys. And y'all leave me a comment below and let me know how y'all been liking my recent videos, because I've been in school, you guys, learning how to film, get the right angles. I'm trying to learn, you guys, so that I can have better quality videos for you guys. Y'all keep your girl lifted up in prayer, because I'm learning, honey. You never get too old to learn. And anytime you want to try something new, make sure you hit up YouTube first, because you can learn a lot from YouTube. But I'm just going in and finishing up my top-notch bun, you guys. Yeah, like I said, I was struggling a little bit, but hey, if at first you don't succeed, keep on trying, honey, because you'll get it eventually. Yep, it wasn't working out for me, so I had to start over a few times, but I finally got it, you guys. And y'all let me know if y'all remember Pump It Up, because honey, back in the day, Pump It Up was the stuff. If you wanted your hair to lay, you had some Pump It Up spritz, honey, and it was gonna hold it tight. Do you hear me? Yes, honey, before there was edge brushes and all that good stuff, honey, I just used my regular old brush and lay my edges down. Well, back in the day, they ain't even call it laying them down, laying your edges. It's just something we did. But yeah, before there was edge brushes, there was always your regular brush. It's gonna do the same thing. You guys, so I'm just gonna finish up doing this, finish the final touches. When I tell y'all I'm too pleased with this, honey, don't ever doubt yourself. You can do anything you set your mind to. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen, because y'all know your girl cannot cook until the kitchen is clean. It's a pet peeve of mine. Don't ask me to cook in the kitchen. It's nasty, because it's a big no. So I'm just gonna go and finish cleaning up, tidying up, so I can get ready and cook. I always get excited when I'm almost done cleaning my kitchen, because, honey, when I tell y'all I've been really fiending for some chicken spaghetti, honey, it's about to go down. Do y'all hear me? I've been wanting this for a minute. For a little minute. But anyway, I'm going to finish tidying up this stove, and then we can go ahead and start cooking, you guys. guys. So I got my favorite spinach by the brand Glory. If y'all have not tried these, they are the best. But add some water into it because it's got a little high sodium level. So I always add a ton of water in it. But they taste absolutely amazing. I'm just chopping up my onions to put in with my chicken breast to get it tender. You know you can't have no chicken spaghetti without your meat being seasoned. So season it to flavor so it can be yummy, yummy in my tummy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And while that's cooking, I'm going to make sure I got that right. And I'm going to go ahead and with my spaghetti. I always like the thin spaghetti. Y'all know if you let me know in the comments if y'all like thin spaghetti or regular spaghettis. I have to have thin spaghettis. I don't like the thick spaghettis, but to each his own. So I'm just going to season that and get that all ready. And yeah, this is a quick meal, honey. When you want a nice dinner, I tell y'all all the time, I love to cook, but I ain't staying in the kitchen all day. This is not them days. This is not them days. And I ain't staying in the kitchen all day to get a good, healthy meal. That's not how your girl operates. But I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning my garbage disposal. I just chopped up a few lemon peels and added me some baking soda and some vinegar in there to keep the smell down. I do this once, twice, sometimes 3 times a week, depending on how the smell is. Because y'all know that garbage disposal and that dishwasher can wreak havoc on the smell. So make sure you're doing whatever you can to keep the smell down in your home. Because it be little bitty stuff that keeps your house smelling. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking and getting my meat out because it's done now. So I'm gonna finish getting that and go ahead and shred it a little bit and get it ready for my spaghetti, honey. And this is my grocery haul, you guys. I forgot to show you guys, but I'm trying some new drinks. Y'all stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cheese cut up, you guys. Because, like I said, if you want a quick meal, honey, chicken spaghetti is so easy to cook, you guys. It's just chopping up cheese, getting your meat and your spaghetti noodles in a can of Rotel and assembling that with a little bit of olive oil, honey, and bake it with some shredded cheese. Honey, you got a gourmet 5-star meal right at home that doesn't break the bank and all that. So I'm gonna get this bad baby ready and put it in the oven, and then I'm gonna continue cleaning, honey. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and mop because I told you y'all, my mind be all over the place. It's just when I think about it, I have to go and do it. When I'm cooking, I'm always cleaning. I'm serious. My mind be all over the place, y'all. But it's like when I see it, I have to do it when I think about it because I could be cooking, but my mind is always on cleaning. So I'm just mopping my floors, mopping my kitchen and living room because I just have to have my house clean. When my home is clean, my mind is fresh. And so now I'm going to go ahead and tackle my bedding because I have to change my sheets, you guys, once a week. Let me know because I sweat a lot, and especially with this premenopausal stuff going on, honey, my body going through some changes. We're going to talk about it on this channel. They don't tell you the stuff that your body be going through premenopausal. My hormones be all over the place. I be sweating, and sometimes I be more emotional. I'm always emotional around that time of the month, but I be emotional. Yeah, we gonna talk about it because that premenopause, honey, my body is changing, and I'm trying to embrace the change because, honey, it ain't no joke. But like I said, my body is not the same as it was in my 20s, in my 30s. So yeah, so I'm just finishing cleaning up my sheets because I'm telling you, a clean space is a clean mind. When your home and your space is cluttered, I promise you, your mind is cluttered too. So make sure you just do a little bit at a time. Keep your space clean. That's why y'all don't see a lot of stuff in my bedroom. I don't like a lot of stuff in my bedroom. I like it to be as simple and clean as a lot of space. I don't like a lot of stuff in my bedroom because that's my sanctuary. I want to feel peace and joy and love in my bedroom. So, um, yeah. So I'm just finishing up that, and then like I said, y'all, can y'all get into my hair? Y'all gonna see an eclipse later. Your girl is feeling herself. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish folding these clothes, because y'all know I tell you guys, do 1 or 2 loads every other day. That way you won't have the whole weekend just doing a bunch of clothes. Do them and try to fold them up when they first come out the dryer, because if not, honey, you'll be living at the dryer all week. I'm telling you, been there, done that. So I'm just folding up these towels and getting everything together, because once I eat, I'm gonna want to relax. Honey, I'm telling you guys, it's amazing what you do when your space is clean. It gives you so much energy. And when my towels are fresh and clean, honey, it just makes me feel that much more better. I'm telling you guys, it's the little bitty stuff nowadays that brings so much joy to my life. Just the simple way of doing things, the simple living, you guys. When your space is clean, your mind is clear, you can think better. I'm more creative when my mind is clear and at peace. I'm telling you guys, it's nothing like a peaceful mind. Self-care is not just physical, you guys. It's all mental as well. Everything go hand in hand. Because when your mental is not right, your body soon gonna follow. It's not gonna be right as well. Y'all know I always tell you guys, take care of your entire body, your mental, physical, spiritual, your whole being. And yes, y'all know on a video, one of my babies gonna pop in. She was doing her wig cap and she wanted my ideal. She wanted mommy's ideal opinion. So yeah. And y'all make sure y'all wish my baby a happy 15th birthday. She turned 15 the day after Valentine's Day. So can y'all say, look at this? Look how this turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this because I'm about to murder this food. And believe it or not, I didn't even try any of my drinks. I just really wanted me some plain old water. Yeah, I didn't even want to try any of my new drinks. I just wanted me some water. So I'm going to sit here and relax. I'm not going to go to sleep. I'm going to relax and do me some puzzles, clear my mind, keep my mind free. And y'all, this is my last day, you guys. Last day eating candy, you guys. I bought a whole bunch of fruits because I'm trying to stay off candy, you guys. But can y'all say your girl was feeling herself? Look how my hair turned out. I even recorded a couple of videos for you guys. I wasn't gonna let that makeup and hair go to waste. But honey, can y'all say your girl did that? What? Honey, your girl may come up married. Do you hear me? But yes, look at this. Look how beautiful this came out, you guys. I'm telling you guys, don't ever doubt yourself. If you want to try something different, get out there and try it, you guys. Life is too short. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this was my outfit for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me for more ways to take better care of yourself. I love you guys.